Now here I have two questions where I need to find out. In the first question I need to find out the angle, and in the second question I need to find out the side. Alright, in the previous video we learned a little bit about finding the angle and Pythagorean theorem. Those all we reviewed in a right angle triangle. So for doing first question, as we know that this is a right angle triangle and every right angle triangle follow the Pythagorean theorem. And as we have learned in trigonometry, 6 trigonometric ratios, so it is very easy to find out us the angle alpha or beta. So first I'm trying to find out angle alpha. I can take any trigonometric ratio, alright, any sine, cosine, tangent, whatever you want you can take. Alright, in the previous one I had taken the sine, so this time I'm taking, let's say, cosine. Alright, cosine alpha. You can take any, alright, doesn't matter. So cosine alpha, what is the ratio of cosine? That's cosine is the ratio of the base over hypotenuse. Alright, it is the ratio of base over hypotenuse. So I'm talking about now alpha. So when I'm talking about alpha, what will be the base and what will be the hypotenuse? You know that hypotenuse is always the longest side, and here AC is the longest side, so this will be my hypotenuse. Alright, this is my hypotenuse. And now base and perpendicular that you need to determine. For determining base and perpendicular, it's very easy. Whatever the angle you have taken as a reference, as our reference angle is alpha here, so in which side that alpha is sitting, alright, leaving that hypotenuse, it is sitting on AB. Alright, AB is the base. Now AB is base, so perpendicular will be just opposite of that angle. This is your perpendicular now, and base is here how much? 6 centimeter, and hypotenuse is here 10 centimeter. Centimeter cancel, 2 times 3 and 2 times 5, or further you can go into the point, then it will be 0.6. alright, then alpha will be, now you have to take the inverse of that, cosine inverse of 0.6. okay, so now you can use from you can use a calculator or scientific calculator, or you can take the trigonometric table reference of that, the chart. And now I don't have the trigonometric table, I'm using my scientific calculator, and that is showing me cosine of inverse 0.6 equals to 53.13. alright, this is 53.13 degree. Alright, it is in degree now, and I got my alpha. So once I got alpha, I can easily find out beta. To find out beta, we have two methods, one using trigonometry and another is without using trigonometry. Without using trigonometry, you can easily find out, as this is 53.13, so the sum of this 90 degree, 53.13, and alpha will be 180. This is 90, so alpha and beta results to, sum of alpha and beta results to 90 degree. So beta will be 90 minus alpha, that is 90 minus 53.13, it will be something like 36.86 or something. You can write 87 after the point. I'm not doing that, so it's 36.87 degree. Alright, we got beta. Or if you want to do this by trigonometry, then I'm telling you how to do this. For trigonometry, if you want to find out beta, then you can again take any trigonometric ratio, sine, cosine, tangent, secant, anything related to beta. Let's say I'm taking, this time I'm taking tangent. Alright, so tangent of beta will be what? Yeah, tangent of beta is perpendicular now over the base. Alright, when I'm taking the reference of beta, that time my base will be this, as I told you, leaving the hypotenuse C in which the angle is sitting. Angle is sitting here in BC side, so this time this will be my base. Alright, this will be my base, and just opposite will be my perpendicular. So tangent is actually the ratio of perpendicular over the base. Perpendicular over the base, perpendicular is 6 centimeter and my base is 8 centimeter. So 2 times 3, 2 times 4, that's going to be 0.75. so I can say beta equals to now tan inverse 0.75, and using calculator again the same 36.86 point something, so directly you can write 87. Alright, exactly like this, by anyhow you do, by using trigonometric ratio or just by subtracting from this 90, anyhow you can find out. Now in the second question we are given two sides and we need to find out the third side. Alright, how do we find out that? So for this it's very easy. You can simply use the Pythagorean theorem. According to Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, alright, is equals to the sum of the perpendicular. You can take any one, in this case perpendicular, either PQ or QR, and the base, square of the base, QR square. So we need QR. So QR square is PR square minus PQ square. I just write and just shifted this side. So QR square is now PR square, that is 12 square, and PQ square, that is 5 square. So QR square is going to be now 144 minus 25. So QR square is going to be 144 minus 25, 119, and therefore QR is going to be under root 119 answer. Alright, this was pretty easy. Let's say if you were not given this 12 for a while, just forget for a while. Alright, and instead of this you were given some angle. Let's say this is, let's say for a while this is 30 degree. Alright, and now you are asked to find out this QR. Okay, so how do you do this? This is completely another question. Let's cut this for a while. Alright, this is another question. A right angle triangle with 30 degrees, one angle and one side. How do you find out now QR? Okay, so whenever you get this type of situation, then there is a very easy trick. Just take the side which you need to find out and what is given. Alright, and see which angle is given again. The angle is given, this one. So if you are talking about this angle, then what will be the relationship with this QR? If I'm taking the consideration of this angle 30, then this QR will be the base. Alright, and this side will be the perpendicular. So you are given perpendicular and you are given base. It means either you can take tangent ratio or cotangent ratio. Alright, so for a while I'm taking tangent ratio. Alright, so tangent of 30 degree will be what? Perpendicular over the base, and the perpendicular here is 5 centimeter, and the base is here, we don't know, QR. Alright, tan 30 everybody know, that is 1 over root 3, that's 5, and QR. Alright, we don't know the value of QR, but soon we're going to get that. So QR is going to be here, 5 times this root 3 is going to multiply that, so 5 root 3. So QR equals to 5 times root 3, and that's our solution. So this is how we need to find out. We need to solve the question related to the basic basic concept of the trigonometry using Pythagorean theorem and using the trigonometric ratios. So you should be clear, very clear with the trigonometric ratios like sine, cosine, tangent, secant. What are they actually in a right angle triangle? What is the exact ratio of those trigonometric ratio, and you should be very clear with that the trigonometric tables also. At least first you should be very good in trigonometric table learning till 90 degree. Alright, if you don't know the table, then I have made a video on how to automatically write the trigonometric table till 90, and then after that 180. There are 2 videos with 2 different tricks. I hope that will be helpful for you. And if there is any more confusion or doubt about this video, then please feel free to comment below this video. I will be really happy to reply you back. And please like this video and subscribe the channel.